Okay, so here we have mountain. Mountain is Pahad. Papa, Ha, Kanna, Rada. Pahad. And if you want to Romanize that, P U H long A R. Oops. R. Pahad. Alright, so next we have sky. Now sky is Asman. Okay, so Asman is Era, Sasa, Mama, Kanna, Nanna. Asman. And now to Romanize that, it's U S M long A N. Asman. Okay, so here we have sun. Now sun is Suraj. Sasa, Dulankar, Rara, Jajja. Suraj. And if you want to anglicize that, it is S short U R A J. So next we have moon. Moon is Jan. Chacha, Nanna, and then there's a tippy here. Jan. And if you want to write that Romanized, C H A N hard N. Here we have grass. Grass is Ka. So that's Ka. So that's Kaga, Kana, Haha, Ka. And if you want to write that anglicized, it's G H long A, and it's a hard GH. Okay, so next we have flower. Flower is full. That's Fafa, Lala. Pull. It's pull, sorry, not full. And to anglicize that, it's PH, which is hard, UL. Pull. Okay, so dirt or soil is mitti. So that's Mama, Seari, Tanka, and then there's an Addak here, and then there's a Beari. Mitti. And that's M-I-T-T long I. Mitti. Last but not least, we have ocean. Ocean is Sagar. Sasa, Kanna, Gaga, Rara. Sagar. Oh, forgot my little drawing. Let's just fix that, shall we? Okay. Ocean is Saga. I guess that's all. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button.